माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने देश के 80वें स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह के अवसर पर राष्ट्र को संबोधित किया। राष्ट्र की एकता और अखंडता के प्रतीक तिरंगे के रूप में सैकड़ों की संख्या में गुब्बारे लाल किला परिसर और उसके आसमान को एक नई आभा, एक नया सौंदर्य, एक नया कलेवर प्रदान कर रहे हैं। मानो सारे माहौल में देश प्रेम की आभा, उसकी गरिमा चमक रही हो, परिलक्षित हो रही हो। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय उपस्थित जन समूह का अभिवादन करते हुए हाथ हिलाकर और उन्हें पूरे उत्साह के साथ उनके इस अभिवादन का जवाब मिल रहा है।
The Prime Minister has always talked about inculcating those same values and virtues as the Mahatma had in our lives. The balloons being left out in the open skies, showcasing the free spirit of a young country, the spirit which is taking the country to newer heights. When the Honorable Prime Minister addresses the students and the youth power, he talks about attaining one's goal and keeping the nation first, of making sure that we try to find solutions to the problems we see around us, to uplift others, to believe that everyone is capable of doing great things, and to be able to see the Almighty in each and every soul, to be a firm believer that cleanliness is next to godliness.
And anticipation again in the crowd. All these youthful cadets have one question written on their faces, that when will Prime Minister will come forward and meet them. This has become a nearly ritual now. We all are looking forward and hoping that this year too, Honorable Prime Minister comes and meets and interacts with these young hearts. And perhaps in this moment, we also realize the true meaning of freedom. Freedom is the space to dream, the courage to rise, and the opportunity to choose our own direction. India has traveled a long way, rising above challenges, finding its own path, and reaching for greater heights.
The word that best describes the moment is gratitude. The Prime Minister, in his car, a cavalcade moving. The word of the moment, gratitude. Gratitude bestows reverence, allowing us to encounter everyday epiphanies, those transcendent moments of awe that change forever how we experience life and the world. A vision of a Vikasit Bharat, a developed India by 2047. That is the vision with which each and every one of these youth, the ones being prepared by the tri-services, and the ones in each and every nook and corner of the country, will have to work towards. A nation that is bold, broad-minded and brilliant today for a strong, self-reliant and a sustainable tomorrow.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय का काफिला, उनकी कार, उनका वाहन ज्ञान पथ के नजदीक जैसे जैसे पहुंच रहा है, यहां उपस्थित इन युवाओं के चेहरे पर आप खुशी, उल्लास, उमंग, उत्कंठा की जो रेखाएं हैं वो साफ पढ़ सकते हैं। सभी को प्रतीक्षा है कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय ने एक जो अविस्मरणीय परंपरा का आगाज किया है, उसकी शुरुआत की है। राष्ट्रीय पर्व के अवसर पर जब वे देश को संबोधित करते हैं स्वाधीनता दिवस के अवसर पर, उसके बाद बच्चों के बीच में, आम जनता के बीच में आते हैं। एक बहुत ही खुशनुमा माहौल लाल किले की प्राचीर के सामने, पूरे लाल किला परिसर में। 1947 में आज ही के दिन हमें आज़ादी मिली थी और तब से लेकर आज तक हर वर्ष राष्ट्रीय पर्व का ये समारोह लाल किले के प्रांगण में आयोजित होता रहा है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय वॉलंटियर्स के बीच में, एनसीसी कैडेट्स के बीच में पहुंच चुके हैं और हाथ मिलाने का सिलसिला शुरू हो चुका है। यही वो मौका है, यही वो अवसर है, यही वो समय है जिसका इन सभी को शायद बड़ी शिद्दत से इंतजार रहता है। और सही अर्थों में कहें तो देश के सर्वोच्च नेतृत्व को इतने करीब देखकर, उनसे प्रत्यक्ष संवाद करके सबका दिन बन जाता है। कई तो ये समझते होंगे कि उनका जीवन ही बन गया, और उनका ऐसा समझना बहुत हद तक सही भी है।
Now we have perhaps one of the most beautiful moments of the morning. The Prime Minister is among the people, greeting them, exchanging smiles, waving to them, and you can see the excitement on every face. For many here, this may be the first time they have seen the Prime Minister up and close. And just look at the children. Those wide smiles, those excited faces, those little waves. For them, this is not just another Independence Day. This is a memory they may carry with them for the rest of their lives. Years from now, they may look back and say, yeah, I was there. I saw the Prime Minister up and close.
Each and every one of those 2,500 plus students, cadets, young minds are facing towards one centric point. The person who encourages them, the person who looks after their future, who thinks about them, who talks about their future being the future of the country as well as humanity. That is exactly the person they're all looking at once. And now the Honorable Prime Minister swiftly moving towards the audience enclosure, where a surprising thing has happened. All the seats of the background have suddenly emptied because each and every one of the people have crammed at the railings of those enclosures. They all wish to see their honorable, their beloved Prime Minister. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, rather, for many of them, which might not come in their lifetimes again. The Prime Minister, whose address they had eagerly waited for, who addressed them, their dreams, their aspirations, who talked about their future, who talked about Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, who talked about Sankalp Se Samriddhi. That's exactly the moment of happiness which they're experiencing right now.
As the Prime Minister walks among the people, almost every phone in the crowd seems to be out, everyone trying to capture this special moment. A wave here, a smile there, and a quick greeting. People are recording videos, taking photographs, sharing the moment with those who could not be here. And you can feel the excitement building with every step the Prime Minister takes. This interaction has now become one of the most eagerly awaited moments of the Independence Day celebrations. Year after year, people look forward to seeing the Prime Minister step away from the formalities and come closer to the citizens, greeting them, acknowledging them, and sharing these spontaneous moments of connection. And perhaps that is why these moments feel so special.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय, सामान्य दर्शक दीर्घा में जितने भी ज़्यादा लोगों से मिल सकते हैं, उनके जितने नज़दीक जा सकते हैं, जा रहे हैं। और ये भी एक बड़ी दिलचस्प बात है कि जो आम जनमानस है, उन सभी के चेहरे पर ऐसे भाव हैं जैसे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री सिर्फ उन्हें ही देख रहे हों। सुरक्षा एजेंसियों के लिए, सुरक्षा कर्मियों के लिए थोड़ा चुनौतीपूर्ण दायित्व होता है ऐसे अवसर पर व्यवस्था को बनाए रखना, लेकिन ये स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह है, भारत का महाउत्सव है और यहाँ सभी की जिम्मेदारी, सबका उत्तरदायित्व, उसका निर्वहन पूरी निष्ठा के साथ करना एक बहुत बड़ी खासियत है और वही विशेषता इस स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह को बेहद खास और उल्लेखनीय, अविस्मरणीय बनाती है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय सामान्य एनक्लोजर्स के बाद एक बार फिर से पहुंचे हैं युवा शक्ति के बीच में, प्रत्यक्ष संवाद करते हुए भी नजर आते हैं और एक बार फिर से, चूंकि अब ये कुछ अंतिम क्षण हैं, तो हर कोई चाहता है कि वो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय के बहुत नज़दीक आए, उनसे प्रत्यक्ष संवाद करे, उनके साथ सेल्फी ले और यही वो यादें हैं जो जीवन भर वो अपने साथ रखेंगे। चिरस्मरणीय ये स्मृतियां हैं जिनको वो समेट कर इस स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह से अपने साथ ले जाएंगे।
The vision of a rising space sector, scientific research, sustainable living industries, green and non-fossil energy, never seen before, speed and scale of infrastructure development, record number of existing, expanding and new metro rail services, intra and intercity metros, the Namo Bharat, cleaner and greener stations, new freight corridors, indigenous locomotives for goods and passengers under the Vande Bharat scheme, a growing sports superpower, preferred destination for medical tourism, a major hub for aircraft and vessel repair, overhaul and maintenance. And these are just a few of the policies that the Prime Minister and his able government is doing for the country, for the future, for the power that they believe the future and the youth hold. Every greeting that the Prime Minister gets has a touch of class as well as culture. He knows that the children are happy, and that's what makes him happy.
The official ceremony may have its grandeur, but here among the people, it is wonderfully candid. Children trying to get a better view, some holding up a phone for a photograph. Sea of smiling young Indians, waving, smiling, reaching out to their own Prime Minister. And everyone hoping for that one brief moment of eye contact, a wave, perhaps even a greeting. For many, this will be their photograph of the day.
Priyadarshini, how do you say no to such innocent smiles? Is it possible?
I think each one of them will cherish this memory